as Princess Tyra Corner. Today, we introduce to you manual machine need people to do the work using hand and feet. Electronic machine need power to work. And I show you manual machines. This is a scissors. It is used as tool and help to cut papers. This is a manual machine. This is a paper puncher. It's used as work. Help us create clothes and papers. This is a food chopper. This is a used at home. Used to cut foods. This is a one-round machine. Now I'm going to show you the electronic machine. This is a telephone. It's used at work. This is one people that talk to each other far away. This is internet machine. This is electric iron. It's used in home. It's used to remove wrinkles and clothes. It's electronic machine. This is TV. This is used in home. Help us and watch movie and use. This is electronic machine.